Trying Red Bull for the first time ever, no talking because apparently my voice is annoying. I left my energy drink in my car when it was cold. So this is what we dealing with, lol. Let's go. Why am I shaking a carbonated drink? This video is proof that you'll watch anything. Who's like, what's the purpose of this video? Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, www. It's how I feel about this. Anyone watching me? Not bad, not good either. Need a sip. Tastes like orange soda, but it's strawberry flavor. W-E-I-R-D-D-D-D-D. One more. 8/10. It's not a 10 for me. But I'ma finish it. Let's eat my lunch. So good.